In a quaint little village nestled between emerald hills and meandering streams, our tale begins with a spirited young girl named Lily. Lily, a child brimming with curiosity and wonder, was forever in pursuit of the world's secrets. Yet amid her numerous escapades, one constant cherished presence remained: her doting mother, Sarah. Sarah, the beacon of their humble abode, possessed a smile that could illuminate the darkest of days. Her daily routine involved tending their modest garden, her melodious tunes filling the air, resembling whispers of joy. However, what set Sarah apart was the relentless, unwavering love she harbored for Lily. One fateful day, Lily's thirst for adventure led her to a concealed glade within the forest, a spectacle of flowers in every imaginable color. Taken aback by the mesmerizing sight, Lily ventured deeper and soon found herself disoriented, lost in the enchanting labyrinth. Panic began to creep in as Lily realized her predicament. She scoured the area for a familiar trail, but each turn only plunged her further into the forest's depths. As the sun began its descent, a sense of dread overwhelmed Lily. However, just as despair threatened to engulf her, a comforting voice resonated through the dense foliage. "Lily, my dear," it whispered, reminiscent of a gentle breeze carrying the aroma of home. To Lily's relief, it was Sarah, her mother, her eyes radiating warmth and affection. Overwhelmed, Lily sought solace in her mother's embrace, a sanctuary that only a mother's love could offer. With a gentle hand, Sarah wiped away Lily's tears and guided her back home, navigating the forest with a wisdom only love could bestow. As they journeyed together, Lily found herself in awe of the magic of her mother's love, a love that knew no bounds, a love that could illuminate the darkest paths and heal the deepest scars. At that moment, Lily understood that her adventures, no matter how far or wide, would always lead her back home, guided by the beacon of her mother's love. From that day forth, Lily cherished every moment with Sarah, recognizing her love as the ultimate gift. As they navigated life's labyrinth together, they discovered that the real magic didn't lie in the world's wonders, but in the infinite love between a mother and her child.